Hello traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll break down the complete pre-market prediction for Nifty with global cues, support or resistance levels, expected market direction, and intraday trade zones. So let's get started with what the market is telling us today. Global market cues overview. To understand NIFTY's opening behavior, first let's look at global cues. US market, US 30, minus 0.11%, flat negative. This shows mild weakness, but not a trend-driving move. US markets are not giving clear bullish or bearish direction. Asian markets, minus 0.53%, negative. Asia is moderately negative. This is slightly bearish for NIFTY's sentiment. European markets, जोड़ 0.47%, positive. Europe is holding up well. This creates a mixed tone for the global environment. USD INR, जोड़ 0.23, flat positive. A rising USD INR generally puts mild pressure on Indian markets. Crude oil, minus 0.75, negative. Crude falling is positive for Indian markets. Lower import cost, lower inflation pressure. Overall global summary, mixed global cues. Slightly negative bias from Asia. Some positive support from Europe. No clear trending force. This perfectly aligns with our prediction. Nifty likely to open flat and stay range bound. Key support or resistance levels for today. The support and resistance zones for today's Nifty session are as follows. Resistance levels. R1:26, 109. R2:26, 179. R3:26, 249. R4:26, 307. R5:26, 365. R6, 26,423 support levels. S1, 25,934. S2:25, 859. S3:25, 764. S4:25, 684. S5:25, 609. S6:25, 514. These levels will define today's high probability zones for intraday trading. Expected opening behavior. With today's global cues, Nifty is expected to open flat to slightly negative. Not a huge gap up. Not a huge gap down either. Since Asia is weak, we might see a small dip initially. But Europe's positivity may help Nifty recover. This combination sets up a range-bound morning session. Bullish expectations. If Nifty tries to move higher, watch for sustained move above R1, 26,109. If it holds, the next targets are 26,179, 26,249. But upward momentum may be limited today because the global cues are not strongly supportive. Bearish expectations. On the downside, watch the reaction at S1, 25,934. If Nifty breaks below it, 25,859, 25,764. Negative Asian cues may drag the market towards supports in the opening hour. However, do note, excessive selling pressure is unlikely because there is no major negative global news. Range-bound scenarios. Since all cues point to a sideways day, Nifty may continue to trade between S1, 25,934, and R1, 26,109. This creates a perfect environment for scalping quick reversals. Buy near support or sell near resistance setups. Avoid aggressive trades in the middle zone because volatility will be muted. Final summary or pre-market view. To summarize today's pre-market prediction, global cues are mixed. Sentiment is flat to slightly negative. Expected Nifty direction, flat to range-bound upside levels, 26,109, 26,179, 26,249. Downside levels, 25,934, 25,859, 25,764. Best approach, play the range, avoid overtrading. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, share or subscribe.